Hi, I'm Millie, and today I'm going to be reviewing some products from Ethique. So Ethique are based in New Zealand and they sell healthcare products with minimal or no packaging at all, and definitely no plastic packaging. So they've sent us today a Ginger Snap face scrub and a Saving Grace facial balm. So this is the facial exfoliating bar, and it's just this little bar like this, and it's really rough. And what you do, you wet it and wet your face, and then you rub it in your hand, and then you rub your hands all over your face, and bits of the granules in the bar will come off, and then you use that as the exfoliator. You can actually also use it directly on your face. It's quite aggressive, but if you needed to, if you had some areas that you wanted to exfoliate more deeply, then this would be really cool just to use straight away. Yeah, I got on really well with this product. Gentle exfoliator, not too aggressive if you use it on your hand. And yeah, it takes up no space and it lasts me forever. These bars will last you maybe 3 months, 4 months. So they're great, really great bars. So we also got sent these Saving Face bars, which look kind of the same shape, but these are supposed to be able to replace your moisturiser. So what you do is, it's like a waxy bar, and when it heats up, it melts. So you put it on your face, and the heat of your face, or the heat of your hand if you put it on your hand first, will melt the outside layer, and then it acts like a moisturiser. So you can use this on your hands, on your face. I used it on my body when I got sunburn. It was really good for sunburn. Put it all over my nose when I got sunburn. And yeah, really great moisturiser. I would say it's quite thick, so if you're using it all over your face kind of often, I think it would be a bit too much. But for the areas that really need it, and if you use it sparingly, it's a fantastic moisturiser. And just like the bar, that's all you need to take. You just take that and you've got moisturiser for months, basically. Really, really, really like these products. So I've actually just taken both these products away with me for a month trip, and they're so good to travel with. So you don't need it doesn't come with any packaging or anything, so you literally just take the bar. I've got a little pot and I put them both in there. They stay dry. And yeah, it takes up no space. They're really light, but they last you forever. So I took one of these. This is a new one, but I took another one. For a whole month, it kind of barely changed shape, and I was using it pretty much every day. So they're really, really, really good thing to travel with. So Ethique also do loads of other products. So they do shampoos and conditioners and face wash, as well as these two products. So definitely go check them out. And they're really, really good things to take, especially, I know I've talked about it, but they're really good things to have in your house, but especially when you're thinking about travelling, taking it to places, they're really, really fantastic products. Thanks for watching. I hope you've taken on board that you don't need all this packaging on your products. You just get products like these, put them all together, put them in a pot, and you're good to go without any bulky packaging at all, and you save the environment.